Today we're graphing linear equations again, and this time we have an equation that's written in standard form. Standard form just means your x and your y are on the same side. And we've been graphing in slope-intercept form, and that form is, in my opinion, the best way to graph, and that's y equals mx plus b. It's what we're used to seeing. Okay. There is a way you can graph in standard form. I'm not going to show us that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this standard form, turn it into slope-intercept form, and we're going to graph slope-intercept form. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to get y by itself. But to do that, we need to get rid of the x that's on this side. So we're going to subtract 2x on both sides to get rid of that x. So I'm left with 4y equals negative 2x plus 8. So it almost looks like y equals mx plus b. So we're almost there. We need to get rid of the 4. 4 is multiplying y, so you're going to divide by 4 to everything. That leaves me with y equals, I'm going to reduce this fraction, make it negative 1 over 2 x, and then 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now it's in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, and it's, for us it's negative 1/2. So that's my slope. This is my b term, which is my y-intercept. So I'm going to start up at 2 on the y-intercept. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. I'm going to go up to 2, put my point. And from there, I'm going to use my slope to find out where my other points are located on this graph. So my slope is negative 1/2. That tells me to go down 1 and to the right by 2 spaces. So down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. And you can do this as many times as you want. If you run out of space, you can go backwards. If you take a look and we go backwards, we go up 1 left, up 1 left, up 1 left. So up 1 left 2, up 1 left 2, up 1 left 2. And then your job is to draw a line through this the best you can. Again, I don't have a ruler because I'm, prepared. And you draw your line through it. And there you go. So that's how you graph in standard form by converting it to slope-intercept form, which is what we're used to. Okay. Again, we want to try and get the y by itself. So we need to get rid of the x that's on the same side. We need to get rid of the number, the coefficient in front of the y. Then once you have it in this, you start at the y-intercept. So I went up to 2, put a point. Then I went down 1 over 2 from this point here. Okay. I kept doing that until I was off my graph, and then I decided I want to fill up the other side. So I went up 1, left 2. If you go up 1, left 2, it's still a negative slope because if you still read it from left to right. Up 1, left 2, that's like negative 2. So 1 over negative 2, it's still going to be negative 1/2.